Hello. So this video is going to show you how to create a thread for a discussion. So in week 1, we have an assignment that's asking you to complete a series of different activities, and it's called Getting to Know You Discussion. So you're going to search out 3 images that represent you, and they must be school appropriate, of course. Below each image, write a well thought out paragraph explaining why you chose the image to represent you. Okay, the rubric is following, so you can kind of see. You need to respond to 3 different classmates. Okay, something well thought out, nice. Okay, this is just one example I gave, and you can look that over. Okay, so this is due by the end of Friday. Okay, you should have your assignment posted to the discussion board by Wednesday to give people time to reply. So you, between Wednesday and Friday, use that time to reply to 3 other posts on the discussion board. So how do you get to the discussion board? All right, so we are in our assignment. Clicking on that. You'll see there's nothing here yet because no one's made a thread. So you're going to create a thread, okay, and you're going to type in the topic, Getting to Know You Discussion. Okay, and that right below there is where you're going to create your thread. Well, it could help if I could type. ... Okay, so that's where you're going to put all your information in. You're going to submit that, and that's going to create that thread for your classmates to respond to. Okay? All right, so I'm going to X out of that because I don't want to start the thread. But you'll be able to see everyone's thread coming up of their discussion, and you'll be able to respond to it by clicking Respond to Thread. So you can select any classmate you want. Okay? If you have any questions about how to do this, just email me or come to office hours or request office hours. I will help you through it. But it's pretty self-explanatory. You should be able to get that up by Wednesday and respond to your classmates. All right, so this is worth 100 points. It's a really good chunk of a grade for assignment, so please make sure that you do it, okay? All right, that is all I have for you now. See you soon.